Most people think portfolio analysis is complicated and expensive, but the surprising truth is that Portfolio Visualizer makes it accessible, detailed, and free for many features. Today, I'm sharing an honest review based on hands-on usage. Portfolio Visualizer is a web-based platform for investment research, portfolio analysis, and backtesting strategies. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for advanced investors. In reality, beginners can use it to track asset allocation, calculate risk, and test historical performance with easy-to-read charts. You won't believe what happens next. You can input multiple portfolios, compare returns, evaluate volatility, and even run Monte Carlo simulations to estimate future performance. I tested a retirement portfolio simulation, and the detailed output helped me understand expected returns, risk, and drawdowns in real-world scenarios. The surprising truth is the depth of analytics. Portfolio Visualizer includes factor models, correlation matrices, and style analysis. It's like having professional investment tools without paying thousands of dollars. It also integrates with ETFs, mutual funds, and stocks for accurate backtesting. Some downsides include that advanced features can be overwhelming at first, and real-time data is limited. Most analysis relies on historical data, but for planning, research, and testing investment strategies, it's extremely powerful. In conclusion, if you want a free, robust platform to analyze and optimize your investment portfolio, Portfolio Visualizer is worth exploring. Subscribe for more honest investment tool reviews to make smarter financial decisions.